students, today we shall discuss about some proofs in pairs of angles. Prove that if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. That is, they are always congruent, equal in measure. When two angles are equal in measure, we say that they are congruent. When two line segments are equal in measure, we say that they are congruent. Exactly same in measure. To prove this, given that line AB and line CD intersect in point O. Both these lines, when they intersect, they are always coplanar. AB is a line and CD is also a line. They lie in the plane of the blackboard. To prove that vertically opposite angles are same in measure, that is, angle AOD and vertically opposite angle BOC are same in measure, they are congruent. Similarly, the second pair, angle AOC and angle BOD, this is also vertically opposite angles, they have only vertex in common. One ray makes an opposite ray to the other ray of the angle. As these two AB and CD are straight lines. So angle AOD and angle BOC are same in measure. Proof. Angle AOD and angle BOD. Consider these two angles, this pair of angles. Angle AOD and angle BOB. This AB is a straight line. OD, the ray stands on this straight line, that is angle AOD and angle BOB or BOD form a linear pair of adjacent angles. These are two adjacent angles. Why? Because they have one point vertex in common, one ray OD in common, and the uncommon rays OA and OB form a straight line. Therefore, these are two adjacent angles. Also, these are two making a linear pair of angles because AB is a straight line. As AB and CD intersect, they form a linear pair. Now, from property of linear pair, we can say that measure angle AOD plus measure angle BOB equal to 180. Measure angle AOD plus measure angle BOB or BOD. We can say the measure any angle in two ways. BOB or BOD. But the vertex should come in the middle of the three letters of the angle. So measure angle AOD plus measure angle BOD should be equal to 180 because of linear pair axiom. So student, we have divided the whole circle into 360 degrees. Here half the circle becomes 180 degrees. Mark it 1. Similarly, take these two angles. This pair, from this pair of angles, take these two angles, that is angle DOB and angle BOC. Angle DOB and angle BOC also form a linear pair of adjacent angles. Always linear pair of adjacent angles is separated. Therefore, measure angle DOB, measure of this angle, plus measure angle BOC, measure of this angle, equal to 180 degrees as linear pair axiom. That is, the sum of the measures of linear pair is always 180 degrees. Now, comparing 1 and 2. Right hand side here, equation number 1 is 180 degrees. Right hand side here, equation number 2 is also 180 degrees. Therefore, as the right hand sides of these equations 1 and 2 are same, that is 180 degrees, the left hand sides of these equations should also be same. That is, measure angle AOB plus measure angle DOB equal to measure angle DOB plus measure angle BOC. So left hand side of this equation can be put equal to the left hand side of this equation number 2. From equation number 1 and equation number 2, comparing, we can give this statement. Now, observe here the sum of measures of angles, two angles, AOD and DOD, is equal to the sum of the measures of angles DOB and BOC, angle BOC. Now look here, measure angle DOB equal to measure angle DOB, same thing on both sides. Maybe some numerical value, whatever the value of this measure angle DOB is there, same on both sides. So, for any equation, we can subtract equal quantities from both sides. The equality holds good, remains same. Therefore, removing these two terms, measure angle DOB from left side of the equality to right side of the equality, we get measure angle AOD equal to measure angle BOC, the remaining things. The remaining quantities are always equal when we subtract equal quantities from both sides of equality, cancelling measure angle BOB, which is common on both sides. As measures of angle, two angles are same, we can say that angles are same. Similarly, exactly in a similar fashion, we can prove angle AOC equal to angle BOD. Thus, it is proved. QED means thus it is proved. Quadra recta demonstrandum. QED. Thus it is proved. In geometry, we have to give the proof by logical statements and reasons, and we prove the given fact. If two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal in measures. Now this is one proof. There is another proof to be proved. Let us take that. statement. If OP, ray OP and ray OQ are the bisectors of angles of linear pair angle AOD and angle BOC. Prove that measure angle POQ is equal to 90 degrees. This we have to prove. That is, we have to prove angle POQ as a right angle. Now we are given, we draw a figure according to AOD and BOC are linear pair. We have a line AC. There is a point O on this line. There is a ray OD standing on that line. Now, OP is the bisector of angle AOD. O bisector two angles equal here. Let us take a point P here. So these two angles are same in measure. OP is the bisector of angle AOD and OQ is the bisector of angle COD respectively. OQ. Let us take a point Q on this. Ray OQ is the bisector of this angle. Now we have to prove measure angle POQ as 90 degrees. So this angle is right angle. It's very simple because measure of this angle AOD plus measure of this angle BOC add up to 180. So half the measure of angle to 90 degrees, angle POQ is also 90 degrees. That is, angle POQ is a right angle. Also, the sum of these two angles POA and QOC is also 90 degrees. The remaining two angles. But here, the angle POQ becomes right angle. So, dear students, write down the proof of this statement on your own and practice well. Thank you.